I would consider this to be a pretty rare trade-in. This is a 2018 Cadillac XTS, and what makes it so rare is it only has around 6,000 miles on it. As rare as that car is, I'll probably see that again over the course of my lifetime. The car we're gonna look at today, I'll probably never see again. This is the rarest car I've ever seen in my whole entire life. You know that? What is this? 1994 Pontiac Sunfire? I'm not trolling you, Joe. I'm serious. Huh? How often do you change your oil?
I did it at 100 miles, and I did it at 500 miles.
So it's had one oil change. Mm-hmm. Wow.
Hey, I'm the original owner of this 01 Mustang GT. Got 511 original miles.
Think about that for a second. 500 miles in 18 years. Over the course of my career, I have sold more new cars with 500 miles than I can even count. Regardless of the Ford and the Chevy debate, that had to take a ton of self-discipline to do that. I really wanted to upload this video today on Memorial Day just to give a salute to the American muscle car, and that car that Sandy has is just awesome. Gonna sell some cars today, guys. Every single week I'm giving you guys new car content. Consider hitting that subscribe button. My name's Cody Reed. See you guys later. Deuces.
Hey, I'm the original owner of this 01 Mustang GT. Got 511 original miles.